Hi dear students, we have already gone through the calculation of EVA. Today we are discussing the second part on calculation of EVA. This class is aimed at solving few more problems. This is a problem. Acer and Associates, a medical care practice company, has a weighted average cost of capital 10%. Weighted average cost 10%. It has employed 3 lakhs of mostly long-term capital to run the practice according to the most recent balance sheet. So as per latest balance sheet, their capital employed is 3 lakhs. Then the most recent income statement shows the following details. Income statement ulla details are net revenue, cost of sales, gross margin, operating income, operating profit before tax, tax on profit, operating profit after tax. Calculate EVA. So the details given in this case are, first one we have given with 10% cost of capital, and capital employed is given as 3 lakhs, and the income statement is given. We know for the calculation of EVA, we need 3 items as far as this concerned. That is, firstly we have to obtain a NOPAT. Then from this we have to calculate the cost of capital. That is, here the cost of capital is given and also the amount of capital is given. Okay, then here NOPAT, we know in this case net revenue, cost of sales, gross margin, this is a statement. Okay, then net revenue 4 lakhs, cost of sales, it is wrong, it is 2,40,000. 10 is over, 2,40,000. So the balance will be 1,60,000. Then operating expenses are given. Then operating profit before tax is given. This is EBIT. Okay, operating profit before tax, EBIT is there. Then next is tax on profit. Here in this case there is no interest given. So our NOPAT will be this amount. There is no need to go through other calculations. Okay, so this is operating profit after tax, that is, this is NOPAT. Okay, so in this case there is no need for calculation because this income statement does not involve interest. So NOPAT is calculated as 51,000. NOPAT is 51,000 minus capital is 3 lakhs and cost of capital is 10%. So 3 lakh into 30%, 30,000. So our EVA will be 51,000 minus 30,000, that is 21,000. Okay, here it is given operating profit after tax, that is NOPAT, minus cost of capital into capital employed. 51,000 minus 3 lakh into 0.10, that is 30,000. 51 minus 30, 21,000. Okay, this is the first case. Another problem. Indus Machine Tools Limited is a private limited company at Mumbai. Its balance sheet information is given as follows. We are given with a balance sheet. This is current asset side, cash, raw material, finished goods, account receivable and fixed assets. This is liability side, account payable, bank overdraft, long-term debt, equity. We are also given with some additional information: sales, cost, tax, cost of capital. Okay, from this we have to calculate EVA. From these details, okay, we are given with a balance sheet, that is asset side items, liability side items, and provided with some details. We have to calculate EVA. Here the details given are: sales is there, then cost is there, tax is there. If we are provided with these items, we can calculate NOPAT, that is sales less cost of goods sold and less cost. Then next then we will get EBIT. Okay, EBIT. Then from this we may deduct tax. Then we will get NOPAT. Okay, so from these details we can calculate NOPAT. That is, firstly we will show sales 28,62,000 less cost is 11,48,400. Then the result will be EBIT. Then from this we will deduct tax. Then we will get NOPAT, because here also no interest element is there. So first item, NOPAT is there. Secondly, we have to obtain capital amount and cost of capital. Here also we are provided with the cost of capital. Cost of capital is there. So firstly we will find NOPAT. NOPAT will be calculated by adjusting sales less cost less tax. The figure will be NOPAT. Then secondly we have to given with the cost of capital. So we have to identify one more item, that is amount of investment or amount of capital. Okay, how we can get amount of capital? We will go through the liability side. This is the liability side. Okay, from this side we can get capital. What are the items taken for capital? Account payable? No, account payable is a current liability. Then bank overdraft, it is a liability, external liability. It can be taken as capital. Okay, amount of capital invested, we can take this. Long term debt can be taken. Then equity can be taken. So 40 lakhs plus 60 lakhs plus 4 lakh 84,000. Okay, for 104 lakhs 84,000. 104 lakhs 84,000 will be capital. So we can calculate EVA here. That is, EVA is obtained by considering the amount of capital, NOPAT, and also cost of capital. So let us go through how to calculate EVA. Firstly, we find the amount of NOPAT. Okay, then NOPAT here will be sales less cost minus tax. Okay, 28.62 minus 11.48 minus 6.85440 is equal to 10 lakhs 28,000. 10 lakhs 28,160. Okay, from this we will deduct the amount of cost of capital. That is, here the amount of capital will be 60 plus 40 plus 4, 104 lakhs 84,000 into cost of capital is 0.1242. Okay, so when we get these amounts, we will get the result as 10 lakhs 28,160 minus cost will be 12% will be 130 to 3, 13 lakhs 2,322. Okay, when we find the difference, it will be minus 2,74,162. Okay, this will be our NOPAT. And also we have another way for calculation. That is, in another method we will calculate EVA as EVA is equal to, how we will calculate, capital into rate of return minus cost of capital. Here we have identified capital, that is 104 lakhs 84,000 into Then rate of return. Here rate of return is not given, but we can calculate it. Rate of return is equal to NOPAT divided by capital. NOPAT divided by capital, we will get the rate of return. And also we have already got to point 12422, that is cost of capital. Okay, like this also we can calculate EVA. Here in this problem, the method used is sales less cost EBIT less tax NOPAT. NOPAT is here 10,28,160. Then EVA is calculated using as capital into rate of return minus cost of capital. Okay, EVA is equal to capital amount 104,84,000 into rate of return. It is calculated as 9.802 minus cost of capital. How we will get this rate of return? Rate of return here is NOPAT 10,28,160 divided by the amount of capital amount 104,84,000. Okay, then here capital is equal to, capital includes bank overdraft, long term debt and equity. So capital amount will be 10,84,000, 104,84,000. Then by dividing NOPAT with the investment, we will get the rate of return percentage, that is this NOPAT divided by capital, we will get 9.807. This is the method used for calculating EVA here. Okay, thank you. More problems will be dealt with in our next video. Okay, thank you.